Okay, y'all came back. Hey, Natalie. Sorry, y'all came back. Good. I was sitting here waiting for somebody to come here. I was reading my little phone. Uh, all right, here we go. Let's. Oh Lord, we got craziness going on this morning. Okay, we in that crazy mode. I see. Okay, we got the crazy mode going on. So I will hit the ignore button of the crazy mode. Let's see where my regular people's at. What's my agenda today? Today, let's see. My agenda for today is do a lot of errand running, get myself together for my neighborhood gathering. That's my today's agenda. That's my today's agenda. Not much. Just got on just to kill some time while I wait for I'm at the urgent care cuz last night I was get ready, laying down and everything, and I kept coughing, and kept coughing. So it was hard for me to sleep last night when I laid down. I felt like mucus. So I believe that my allergies probably turned into something else. Well, I'll find out from the doctor. The what was it? Nurse practitioner or whatever that's here. So I'll find out what's going on. Do you sleep? Sleep? And no, I sleep in the house. I don't sleep in my car. Ask one more stupid question, you're gonna get blocked. For real. One more stupid question, and you're gonna get blocked. One more stupid question. So tread lightly. What advice can you give me, a young man, to get with a beautiful, mature woman like you? I can't give you that advice. Can't give you that advice because I don't know. You have to go to a relationship specialist. Hey, Rob. What's going on, Rob? Can't give you that advice. Don't know. Eddie, I can't give that advice. I warned you with the stupid questions. Oh, it's crazy, isn't it? It's crazy, isn't it? No, listen, y'all. Someone with experience. Okay. Um, listen, y'all. It was last night when I was sleeping in my bed. That's when that I kept coughing and coughing and coughing. So I think something's going on. See you later, Natalie. Okay, so Seti, you gonna email it to me? I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. It asked me all these questions, Daddy. So let me go email and see if it's in there. Oh, I got it. 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 I don't know how said he sent this thing because it's not sending it to me. That's not all you found? Said I don't, it's not opening up over here. Oh my God, this thing get on my nerve. I have to wait till I get home so I can read it. So did they overturn his case? They grant a continuance? Okay. The whole gang unit is dirty. I found out why she and the other detective quit. What? Did you put it out? Did you do a live on it? Did you do a live on it? Did you do a what? What? Oh my God. And the answer was there in the opening question by the day. Okay, hold on. In the thing you sent me? Hold on, let me look. To extend the magistrate account hearing testimony. The videotape has not been disputed directly. Defendant's original objection or in his supplement post. On April 28, 2001, two police officers, Department APD officers and Zone 3. I'm doing a video today, but it's wild, but she is a very selfish person. What? Hold on, let me read this part here. Mason Mercury and A.C. Hayes were dispatched to the Dunbar Center to follow up on an anonymous 911 call concerning call to concern. According to Officer Mercury, May 21st, 2015, this incident report, the dispatcher stated that there's a black male inside a recreation center in the gym wearing a True Religion jean armed with a machine gun, and the machine gun is inside of a white and red HM bag. Both officers testified that they understood the bag to be a white plastic bag with red H&M letters in the front of it. Officer Haynes also testified that he understood from the dispatch that the black male was wearing a True Religion t-shirt. Hold on. Officer Haynes first spotted the white H&M bag in the bleachers and pointed it out to Mercury. In the course of Mercury and Haynes follow up on the 911 call, one or both officers handcuffed and detained Kenneth Copeland, inspected and looked into the content of the H&M bag, and ultimately searched H&M bag after detaining Copeland on the basketball court. On the basketball court. Y'all listen. Hold on. I'm trying to find out where my spot is. They detained him on the basketball court and they started searching that bag, right? And ultimately, the search of the H&M bag after detaining Copeland on the basketball court, either one or both of the officers looked into the H&M bag. They then together walked Copeland out the gym with Mercury taking the lead in accompanying Copeland. Mercury placed Copeland, still handcuffed, in the back seat of the police vehicle. Mercury then placed the white H&M bag in the car trunk and looked into the bag. This viewing in the trunk is the first time Mercury's police report incident reflect him having noticed the butt stock of the weapon in the bag. Wait a minute, but wait. Sadie, hold on. Listen, so when they searched him the first time in the gym, they saw the bag, right? Right, Sadie? Hey, Tanya, I got a Rule 22 to play his case, so I probably will be showing that one later on. Because I was upstairs when it was happening. I was upstairs when they first started the jury selection of that guy. Seti's channel is Seti Nash. Rand, put Seti's channel in the chat, please. Seti Nash is his channel. Rand, please put Seti. Somebody put Seti's channel in it. Black Beauty, if you're in the chat, somebody. Yeah, you never get it the first. Thanks, Rand. You never get it. You never get it the first time. Okay, y'all want me to finish reading what I have here? Okay, let me go back. Where did it go? This thing be like... I hate iPhones, y'all. I hate iPhones. I'm serious. I'm reading something and now I can't find it. I'm reading something and I can't find it. Okay, I found it. Okay, here we go. They searched his bag. Okay. Let's go back. Let's go. Okay. It says one. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You know these little things here. You don't know which one goes second. Okay. You gotta go from the bottom to the top. Okay. It says defendants objection focused on a numerous of critical, factual, and legal grounds for the magistrate judge R&R. Defendant also challenges the credibility and the inconsistency of the testimony of Mason Mercury, the principal Atlanta police officer who testified regarding the search and detention in the hearing conducted by the magistrate judge. Based on defendant's objection, the court has conducted a de novo review of the records and motions to suppress. The court additionally held a supplement hearing on September 28, 2016 to consider the further testimony from the officer Mercury and A.C. Hayes, as well as investigator Lakita Gaither. That's the same one. Okay, see you later, Nash. Seti. See you later. Okay, so same one, same officer, y'all. The one that was just here on the stand. Okay, let's see. Let's read it. Okay. Keaton Gaither. Officer Hayes was directly involved with Officer Mercury in the defendant's detention and search, but did not testify at the hearing before magistrate judge. Sounds like something happened here, right? Okay. Same thing with the YSL. Okay. Investigator Gaither talked with or interviewed Copeland on the afternoon of his original detention and when he was ultimately arrested on June 10, 2015. She testified at the hearing before the magistrate judge, but was not available to testify at the supplement hearing conducted by the court. The court also considered counsel's letter briefs submitted after the supplement hearing, as well as their legal argument at the hearing. The R&R provide a detailed description of the evidence presented at the original hearing conducted by the magistrate judge, although defendant objects to a substantial range of finding and inference made by the magistrate judge. He does not appear to object to a specific portion of the magistrate judge summary. Excuse me, y'all. That's why I'm here at the doctor, so I can get whatever it is wrong with me together, okay? So don't be talking about, oh, she got the cooties, okay? Okay. All right. And it's hot in this car right now, too. Okay, the summary, magistrate judge summary of the testimony given at the original motion to suppress hearing on December 10, 2015. Nor does the defendant object to the magistrate judge's description of the partial video depiction of relevant evidence at the Dunbar Center indoor basketball court on April 28, 2015. Although he does expressly object to the inference and finding drawn in connection with these events, to the extent that the magistrate judge account of the hearing testimony and videotapes has not been disputed directly, whether in the defendant's original objection or in his supplement post-hearing brief, document number 73, the court adopts the R&R factual finding and description that said the court recognizes the significant factual dispute remains at issue. Number one, the search of the H&M bag and defendant's statement allegedly made at the Dunbar Center. Discussion of evidence. On April 28, 2001, two Atlanta Police Department APD officers from Zone 3, this is the one I was reading originally. And Chelsea says, I don't get how she has no paperwork or any file, yet remembers so detailed of what happened almost 10 years later. Gaither and Dennis was at the scene at the center. Okay, let me finish. And it says, but it didn't give Gaither being there. It says that Mason Mercury and AC Hayes was there. It doesn't give the other officer. Okay. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I need to drink my water. Okay, let's see. It says, on April 28th, 2001, two police officer, okay, hold on. Two Atlanta police officers from APD Zone 3, Mason Mercury and AC Hayes, were dispatched to Dunbar Center to follow up on an anonymous 911 call of concern, according to Officer Mercury, May 21st, 2015, incident report. So he has an incident report from May. The incident happened on 28th. He didn't wait a minute. Why would you wait to May 21st to do an incident report? The situation happened on April 28th, and then you did an incident report on May 21st? That's a long time difference, isn't it? Mercury's May 21st incident report. The dispatcher stated that there is a black male inside the recreation center in the gym wearing a True Religion t-shirt, jean. No, True Religion jeans. She didn't say t-shirt. They said t-shirt. It says jean. When they said, and they're, okay. And had a machine gun. Armed with a machine gun. The machine gun is inside a white and red HM bag. It said white and red HM bag. But the report says something different. The report said it was a white bag with red writing. Okay. Both officers testified that they understood the bag to be white plastic bag and with red HM letters on the front of it. Officer Hayes also testified that he understood from the dispatch that the black male was wearing True Religion t-shirt. No, that thing we just read said True Religion jeans. But I digress. As detailed more fully in the magistrate judge R&R, the officers met up at the Dunbar Center, and soon after spotting the only basketball player in the gymnastic wearing True Religion jeans. Jeans here, right? Officer Mercury instantly identified this person as Kenneth Copeland, and he knew Kenneth Copeland from his beat to a young man with felony record who had been involved in a neighborhood gang and who he viewed as on the top of police radar. Though not a threat to him that day or ever a threat to law enforcement other than in previous fleeing. Docket 51, transcript at 5051 supplement hearing. Mercury testified that he knew Copeland to carry a gun and that his sense of kind when he see at the supplement hearing, Mercury testified that Hayes had heard Copeland gave a little insert the Dunbar Center and engaged in his investigative follow-up. There he heard dispatch indicate that the other APD officers were involved in a foot chase with an individual who matched the description provided by the dispatcher. At the supplement hearing, Officer Mercury testified that he was aware that Copeland had been released from jail the day preceding the April 28th event. However, he could not recall if he learned from the investigator Gaither before April 28th incident or after he had spoken to her later on that day. He additionally testified that he worked personally with investigator Gaither and that she was the person officer reached out to in connection with the gang activity matter. That was the okay, hold on, I gotta go back to this. And then number 4, the officer's transcript of supplement hearing in this junction has not been ordered by either parties and filed. Therefore, specific page insight is citation cannot be given. Oh, they can't give the citation because they didn't order the transcript for this. All right. Officer Hayes was spotted with the officers. What? Okay. This thing is like you don't know where to follow it at because it goes like it's two-sided and you don't know. Hold on, I gotta go back. Okay. Officer Hayes first spotted the white H&M bag in the bleachers. I read that part up there. Okay, let's read it again. In the bleachers and pointed it out to Mercury. In the course of Mercury and Hayes follow up on the 911 call, both officer handcuffed and detained Copeland, inspected and looked into the content of the H&M bag, and ultimately searched the H&M bag after detaining Copeland on the basketball court. Either one or both of the officers looked into the H&M bag. They then together walked Copeland out of... Okay! Oh, gotta go. They're calling me. They're calling me, y'all. Bye.